Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and delicious strawberry banana oatmeal smoothie with my new NutriBullet. There is a video of me unboxing this NutriBullet, guys, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys. So this is a quick and healthy, refreshing breakfast recipe. You can have it as a snack or just after a quick workout. So this recipe is simple, delicious, and it comes together in just a few minutes. And if you guys are interested, like I said, check the description box for this one. So if you're looking for that quick and easy smoothie that both filling and tasty, I would definitely recommend for you guys to give this a try. So we are going to use some basic ingredients here. We're going to add our strawberries, apples, which is optional for this recipe. You guys can add whatever fruits you like for this recipe. We're going to go in with some peach, so I am using leftover peach. Okay, and we're going to use our oatmeal, almond milk for this one as well. It's going to give that nice creamy texture, and the peach is going to add a peachy flavor to this recipe. Like I said, it's optional, so adjust to your taste. Add whatever fruits you like for this one. Okay, so we're going to pour our almond milk into the smoothie cup, and then we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to show you guys the final results. I am so excited for this one, guys. So this is one of my go-to recipes. Sometimes I change it up, you know, add some blueberries. I can go in with some pineapple. You can add whatever you like for this recipe. We're going to cover, and then we're going to blend until it's nice and smooth, and then we're going to see the final results of our healthy strawberry banana oatmeal smoothie recipe. So this is what our smoothie looks like, guys. As you guys can see, it came out pretty good. It smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this from through the camera. The peach adds so much flavor to this. It smells a bit peachy, and it smells and tastes refreshing. I hope you guys give this one a try. It's my favorite breakfast smoothie recipe. You can add whatever you like to it. I thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.